Welcome to this meditation body scan. My name is Suzanne Lawson from White Branches. I invite you to come into traditional Shavasana pose, lying on your back, so your spine is against the earth beneath you, your legs slightly apart, away from one another, with your feet pointing away and relaxed. Take your arms away from you, with your palms facing up, and relax your fingers. You may use props, cushions, pillows, or blankets to get yourself really comfortable. And when you're ready, close the eyes or use an eye pillow, and we will begin. Let's look at each area of your body. But first, notice the temperature of your body, the sounds in the room, and the places on the earth you are connected to. The places where your body is not connected to the ground beneath you. Notice your breath. Keep the depth and rhythm of your breath steady and even, breathing in and breathing out. Notice your breastbone and belly rising and subsiding as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Can you feel your ribs moving as you breathe in and as you breathe out? Allow yourself to let go on each exhale. Move your attention to your shoulders, your arms, your elbows, backs of the arms on the floor. Notice the lack of sensation of your palms, each finger, one by one, relaxed. Inhale the breath down your arms to your fingers, and as you exhale, allow your fingers and your hands to relax. Taking your breath on an inhale to the arms, and on your exhale, allowing the fingers to relax. Moving your focus to the lower abdomen and your back. As you move with your breath, notice the rise and fall of your abdomen. Notice the earth beneath you, against your spine. To your hips, your sacrum, your lower back, your buttocks, heavy on the floor. Feel or imagine all your vital organs. With each breath, you feel a deep nourishment as you inhale and as you exhale. Don't worry if your mind wanders. Simply bring your attention to the breath. Bring your attention to the part of the body we are focusing on. Focusing on the hips, lower back, the buttocks, heavy on the floor beneath you. Bring your attention to your legs, down to the knees, to the feet. Gentle awareness of the weight of each heel. Do you feel any sensation in the arches of each foot? Take your focus to each toe. Awareness of the temperature. Awareness of your skin. In your legs, your knees, your feet. Inhale the breath from the torso down to the legs, to the toes. Exhale, retrace toes, legs and torso. Continue to breathe. Following your breath from your toes to your ankles, up your legs to your knees, and back down from your knees to your legs, to your ankles, to your toes. Take your attention to your jaw, lips, cheeks, teeth, and the tongue resting in your mouth. Eyelids, eyes, forehead, skin of your scalp. Awareness of your whole body, top of the head, tip of the toes. Each inhale as you flow down from head to toe. Each exhale as you flow up toe to head. Inhale, head, coming down the front body, all the way down to your toes. And as you exhale, come up the back body and repeat. Noticing how you feel as you are using this attention, using this focus of breath to bring awareness to your body. Notice how you feel the temperature, the texture, how your body connects, how your body curves away from the earth beneath you. Exactly as you are, exactly as you need to be right now. Noticing your breath awareness, the whole movement of your breath and the fullness of your breath. As you inhale and as you exhale. Inhaling the breath to bring energy. As you exhale the breath, allowing anything of tension to leave your body. have a few minutes left, so enjoy this moment as you're breathing in and breathing out. Just listen to the music, listen to your breath, noticing the warmth and the coolness, and the feeling of the breath moving around you. Start to wiggle the fingers and wiggle the toes. And maybe just move your head right to left slowly, just to bring some movement into the neck and into the shoulders. And take as much time as you need. We've come to the end of our practice, but maybe just stay here for a few more minutes. Enjoy the silence. Enjoy the resonance of your conscious breathing exercise. Namaste. Thank you for your practice. My name is Suzanne.